Hello everyone, welcome to Catia tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS W. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to constrain the given 2D adjustable sector in Catia V5 software. First, open new Catia Sketcher workbench. In this, you can choose one plane, XY plane. Before going to construct any 2D sketch in Catia V5 software, first you have to set the units. You can see the figure. The figure having all dimensions are in inches. First, you have to set the units in the Catia V5 software. uh, Tools in menu bar, options. Uh, Choose parameters and measure. In this, you can choose units. You have to set the length magnitude. First you can choose length and you can click this right triangle icon. It shows different types of units. Now I am choosing inches. Click OK. First you can see the figure having uh, two circles in the center. This first circle diameter is 1 inch, second circle diameter 2 inch. uh, Another two circles are in the 4 inches apart. One circle diameter is 1.25 inches. Second circle diameter is 2.25 inches, and this figure also having two curves. One is radius 2.50 inches. Second one is 3.25 inches, and it also having two slant edges. One is 30 degrees with y-axis, another one is 15 degrees with horizontal axis. These two lines are 0.75 offset having there. Now uh, now I'm going to explain how to construct this 2D adjustable sector in easy way. First we have to choose circle tool in the Catia V5 sketch tools. Just you can double click on this circle for repeating the same tool for our requirement. Now I choose center, drag, draw one circle, next second circle, uh, third circle, next fourth circle. Next horizontal axis having another few more circles. One is 1.25 radius, second one is 2.25 inches. 1.25 inches, second one diameter 2.25 inches. uh, from center you can move the cursor. It shows one snapping construction line. On that dash line you have to construct two circles. This is the one circle. Next from center you can also draw second circle. Now give the constraint for this each and every circle by using constraint option. Now escape from circle tool. Double click on constraint tool. First choose center circle. The circle diameter is 1 inch. 1, enter. Second circle diameter is 2 inches. Double click. Enter the 2 value, 2, enter. Next similarly give the diameter for these two circles. First one is 1.25 diameter. Second one is 2.25 enter. Next you can give the constraint for these two circles. choose this circle. That radius is in this you can change the parameter radius. Enter the radius value 2.50. Enter. Next the outside circle. Now choose outside circle. This radius is 3.25. Double click 3.25. Enter. Now give the constraint for this horizontal uh, these two center points, first center point and second center point. Now choose this center point and this circle center point. The distance is 4 inches. 4. Enter. Now these two circles also constrained. Now you have to draw one horizontal line for this for drawing these two offset lines. Now I'm choosing line tool. Join these two centers by using line tool. Choose the circle center point and this circle center point. Now you can offset distance for these two lines is 0.75 inches. Now choose offset tool in the transformation tools. In this you can choose first one, no propagation. The offset distance is 0.75 by 2 with reference to center line. Now I am entering 0.75 by 2. Otherwise you can choose last one, that is both side offset. Now I'm choosing both side offset. Enter the offset value, that is 0.75 by 2. Enter. Now the offset is created. Now you can remove the unwanted lines. Otherwise you can construct the remaining part. Now I want to construct remaining part. First draw the one vertical vertical line from center point and vertical point. Next you can draw the uh, rough inclination line. Similarly you have to draw the one horizontal line for 15 degrees inclination line, first line and this second line. Now click escape. Now apply the constraint for these two lines. The angle is 30 degrees. Now choose this inclination line and this vertical line. The angle is 30 degrees. 30. Enter. Similarly you have to apply the constraint for these two lines. The constraint is 15 degrees. Next you can offset for these two inclination lines by using offset tool. Offset, choose first one, point propagation. Choose this line. The offset distance is 0.75 inches. 0.75. Enter. Similarly you can also apply the offset for this line also. uh, Escape. Choose offset tool and select this line and enter the offset distance, that is 0.75. Enter. Now trim the unwanted lines by using quick trim tool. The tool is available in relimitation tools. Now choose the quick trim tool or double click on quick trim tool. Yes, you can remove this line. Now you can remove the unwanted lines by using quick trim tool. Remove this one. uh, Next just you can zoom the sketch and remove the unwanted lines. this line, this line, this line. Just remove this curve. This curve also. Next, this curve. Just you can see the given sketch and remove the unwanted lines by using quick trim tool. Now apply the constraints for these two inclination lines and these two inclination lines by using constraint tool. Choose these two edges. Zero point 0.75. Next, these two edges 0.75. Otherwise, you can delete this uh, dimension. Just you can apply the constraint for this radius. This is the final sketch for the given 2D adjustable sector. Now you can hide the unwanted dimensions by using uh, mouse. Just you can right click and choose the hide or show dimension. Right click, choose hide or show. Just you can keep the whatever the dimensions are in the given sketch. Just you can keep it. Okay, you can hide all unwanted dimensions. This is the final sketch for the given 2D 2D sketch for adjustable sector. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Uh, you can apply the constraint line or element for this horizontal line. just you can choose right click and choose this line, and you can apply the construction or standard element. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.